So we've got a bit of a freeze going on here. It's first time I've been out in the car for a few days because everything's just absolutely snowed under. As you can see, we've got a solid layer of ice on the road and then dirty snow on top of it. Everything's just covered in snow. It's been snowing for about 3 days here now, so it's pretty amazing to see how covered everything is in snow. It just looks like a different place. Especially nothing, cars just covered and just left. People haven't been out for days around here because it's just piling up thick. Solid ice on the road now. You might think that's bitumen, but it's not, it's actually black ice. Some of this sideways just covered. People can't get out of their houses. Absolutely just snowed in. Just think we're back in Australia there a few weeks ago and for summer, and then we come back to this. It's amazing. And then of course back to our place here now. It's tight, mate. We're up.